Wow. That hurt my foot a lot. Welcome to my favorite town for trash picking. Richville, USA. It's early in the week though, so we're probably not going to find much. I think in a past life this was a radio. Why am I taking that? I wonder if that's copper. Where's my magnet? There it is. What do you think? Yeah, that's copper, all right. Everybody knows magnets stick to copper. You know what? I don't want this thing. But at least we got out of the car, I guess. I didn't do that. This should be a pretty easy one. do that either. Doesn't get much easier than that. Sometimes in these rich neighborhoods, oh, come on, you effer. People will throw the old sink out while it's still pretty nice. That one's bugging me. Should I put you guys down here and then just get it off? Really? You gonna do me like that? Baby, baby, baby. Don't do me like that. Maybe I'll pop that one off first this time. I'm so excited. I didn't think I was going to be able to get this one. Maybe I still am not going to get this one. Because I didn't want to block this road. But there's some other people blocking the road. So like way up there, you can see there's a tree crew. So what happens is, as soon as you get on this road, you become accustomed to the road being blocked. So by the time you get to my car, you're just like, oh yeah, that's that road that's blocked. You know, and you don't get so mad at me. Look at those brass goodies. I can't tell you how happy I am that I actually, you know, I didn't think I was going to get that one, but I did. Yay me. I'm actually glad that thing sticks. Because if it didn't stick, I'd probably be here taking this thing apart. Because my car is empty. Dagnabbit. I'm about to get ran over by a Jeep. Thanks, bud. As I was saying, my car is empty, and non-magnetic stainless is worth more than tin. But I guess that thing's cheaper than it looks. I'm thinking things I probably shouldn't be thinking as I look at this. Wondering if there are dents from people's heads and whatnot. That's one of those Apple ones. You think these people will mind if I re-gift this board? I certainly hope not. Perfect. Wow. All right, some CDs about God. This is what the rich people are throwing out today. Nothing. What does Haley Joel Osment call a pile of frozen corpses? I see dead people. Huh? That's something, right? Feel free to use that one at your next party. Wow. I think I just saw somebody's name in this pile. And we'll now have to blur that out too. What a pain in the ass. Like, seriously, stop putting your name on your goddamn garbage. Speaking of people's names on their garbage, there's a whole bunch of address labels here. Let's see if I can not show you any of them. Yeah, we need to change things in our country. so that everybody's name and address is the same. Because if everyone was, let's say, Bob Johnson, 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA, then I wouldn't have to spend so much time blurring out address labels. See, I think I just saw one in this toilet. Who has an address label in your toilet? All right, see, I'm looking at my car because I don't want to show the address labels. Inside that box, it is just a old Christmas tree. You want to cut that cord? Yeah, we'll cut it. At least they didn't put their name on the chair. Just the toilet. Here, we'll put Lena the plug in the toilet also. That's a nice bolt. I don't know. You know you're a creepy old man when you get excited by bolts. Well, that's gonna be the end today, I guess. I don't really know if this video is gonna be worth anything. Oh, goodness gracious, this thing's heavy. Do I have a tool for that? I don't really like trying to collect footage on multiple days and put it together. I just like to, you know, go out and get it over with. So, whatever you get, you get. Plus, let's face it, nobody watches these videos, which is sad. In fact, I might just stop doing them. It's a lot of work. Just blurring out address labels. Anyway, which is better? Probably the short one. Whew. I'm surprised that actually came off. Anyway, the point is, we came out, we found some stuff, we had some fun. I told you my new Haley Joel Osment joke. And now we have the nicest set of bench ends that I've gotten literally in years. Whoa! These are not those cheap Chinese ones. I mean, they may be Chinese, but if they are, they're expensive Chinese ones. Look. So. Wow. Check that out. As you know, we find bench ends all the time, but usually don't look like that. This one tightened up too. Don't want to lose those acorn nuts. Don't leave your craftsman tools in your trunk, right? So that concludes another beautiful day of digging through rich people's garbage. And I hope you liked it. And if you did, then I don't know. Then that's good. And if you didn't, whatever. And until next time, if there is a next time, thanks for watching.